Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing some Vday marble nails inspired by this picture. So the colors that I'm using is Crimson Red from Artisan. I'm using a baby pink acrylic that I mixed up myself, and a dark eggplant purple from Banggood, and I'm using some Tammy Taylor white. And I think that's all of the colors I'm using on this set. Usually I don't do my marble like this. I like my marble more defined, but she requested that I mix the colors together a little bit more, and I really love how it turned out. So after mixing the pink and red, I'm going in at my cuticle area with the eggplant purple, and I'm blending this down over the marble, kind of like an ombre. I'm just going back in with my baby pink and blending out this ombre fade. I'm using my number 12 oval alpha brush. So I'm going in with Tammy Taylor white, and I'm just adding highlights for my marble. Her nails have already been prepped for application, and she has BU stiletto tips on, and I shaped them up with my hand file, and I applied a thin layer of clear acrylic. So I'm just going on top of this marble with a little bit of gold confetti glitter all over the nail, and then I will encapsulate. She wanted her pinkies to be stiletto, so that's why they look that way. So I'm just picking up clear acrylic and white, and then I'm adding in the red on this pinky. She wanted this one to be a little bit more transparent, so I'm using clear instead of the baby pink color to make my marble. So on her ring finger, we're going to be doing a gel design, so I'm building this nail up with clear acrylic.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain.
So this is the other hand, and I'm doing the clear nail on her index finger on this hand. For the thumbs, I wanted a white marble swirl at the very bottom, and then an ombre from dark purple to red, and then fading that into the transparent and white marble.
see the fear inside your eyes. see the pain in your smile. I can finally see.
So because these colors bleed, you might want to have one dish for clear acrylic and one dish for colored acrylic. I'm going in with my clear and encapsulating the entire nail.
We used to radiate, get radiate, but now we're drowning. As the leaves start falling down, and the shadows above the town.
So on these fingers, she wanted the marble to be a little bit more transparent than the other hand. So instead of using pink, I'm opting for clear acrylic, and I'm just blending these colors together. When you're doing marble, my best advice is to work a little bit wetter than usual. That way you still have time to blend out the colors and get them where you want them. You can always go in with a wet brush and tap it onto your acrylic just to keep it really wet and moving and flowing on the nail. This is a little bit messy, but just do your best and take your time. And on the pinky, I'm just going to do the regular baby pink and red marble with a little bit of the confetti glitter on it. And now I'm just encapsulating all of the nails with clear acrylic. So after file shaping and buffing the nails, I'm putting Madam Glam Perfect Black on the clear nails and curing. Now I'm going in with a Presto white gel polish and some 99% alcohol on my gel details brush, and I'm diffusing my white lines just to give it a kind of like smoky marble effect. And I'm not really doing it all over the nail, I'm just doing it in the middle kind of. This was not on the inspiration photo, but she asked that I do this instead of a different design, so we went for this, and I'm putting a matte top coat gel over it. Now I'm using Zulays Bling Adhesive to apply some stones. We have some eggplant purple stones, some SS5 AB, and a couple of jet black SS10 stones, I believe.
It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost.
And now I'm top coating around the stones with IBD Intense Seal and curing.
Trying to get over you.
And for the transparent nails, you want to top coat under so that they can be very shiny. And this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these nails. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Go follow me on Instagram at fitme.beauty, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
My head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you. Over